stick. These two, like in the image, they take the example of an elephant, like a crazy elephant, like our mind. Elephant is like the mind, too much crazy, so it tries to calm down and become peaceful at the end, so it's really peaceful. So, same thing, our mind too much crazy. How do we calm and to become peaceful with our body, speech, and mind? Through these two tools, mindfulness and vigilance. The role is mindfulness. It means you keep your mind as you like. You keep your body. You say, okay, I will do that with my mind. I will do that with my speech. I will do that with my body. Look at your master. When you drive your car, it's very important to be master of your car. So we know that. We know it's important to be master of our car when we drive because there's so much benefit to be master and there's so much dangers to not be master. So why wouldn't it be the same for our actions? If we don't take care of our action with mindfulness, we are very dangerous to ourselves and to others. Do you agree? So all the problems in the world, they come from that. They don't come from the weapons, the guns, the bombs, or even from humans. They come from not taking care of their mind and their action, not enough mindfulness, vigilance, attention. So this way, we have like that action from the body, action from the speech, and action from the mind. Eventually, the hardest to change is the mind, but it's also the most important. Because whatever we say is like a product, a byproduct of what we thought before. You know, before we say something violent or even we hit, for example, before I hit on the table because it's before I try to explain my point, and before I was already cultivating some anger, you know. So this anger manifested by words and after manifested by violence, physical. So like that, the main thing behind is the mind. So if we can be aware, mindful, and be leading, guiding our mind to the peaceful aspect, so our life will be wonderful. We don't have problems. We don't have problems.